Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Start by powering the old Apple TV and connecting it to your router using Ethernet. This guarantees network access if Wi-Fi is unconfigured or forgotten. Also, plug the Apple TV into your TV with HDMI and enable HDMI CEC in the TV settings if available. HDMI CEC often allows basic navigation with the TV remote. Finally, confirm your iPhone or iPad is on the same network, and unlock your iPhone or iPad and open Control Center to find the Apple TV remote icon. Tap the icon and select your Apple TV from the device list that appears on screen. If the Apple TV does not show, reboot it and confirm it has Ethernet or the same Wi-Fi network as your iPhone. When prompted, enter the 4 or 6-digit code shown on the TV screen to complete pairing securely. Once paired, you can navigate, play, and type using the virtual keyboard. If you lack an iPhone, try using your TV remote through HDMI CEC to perform basic navigation tasks. That covers play, pause, and simple menu movement without the Siri remote. For heavy typing, pair a Bluetooth keyboard in settings under Remotes and Devices once you have any control. As a last resort, connect the Apple TV to a Mac or PC with a USB-C or micro USB cable and use the Finder or iTunes to restore factory settings. Restoring resets network and lets you set up remote control again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.